I recently got this. This is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and it's an incredible camera both for recording solo content. I've done a bunch of vlogging and product shots. Plus it has a built-in gimbal for stabilization, and it can even track your face. It's also an incredible 4K 30 webcam. That's right, you can connect this to your computer with a single cable, you don't have to install any additional software, and you get a high-definition webcam that will track your face and looks way better than any other webcam out there. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set it up, use it to record podcasts or solo content using Riverside, and why this may be the one camera you need for years to come. Now right off the bat, I will tell you this is not an inexpensive camera. It's about $500, and that includes nothing but the camera itself. If you want things like this mini tripod or the extended battery, you'll either have to buy those separately or get the creator combo. But if you were also wanting to get a lav mic that actually comes with the DJI Mic 2, plus a carrying case, the tripod, extended battery, and a bunch more. So I know that's getting very pricey. I do think this could be the one camera that does it all for you, and I've done a lot of testing both outside, inside, selfie mode, recording B-roll. This can even do super slow-mo by tapping the camera icon, go over to slow motion, and then you can record up to 4K quality at 120 frames per second. But let's say you wanted to use this as a webcam. All you need to do is on the back of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, there's a USB-C port. I'm just gonna plug in a cable there, plug in the other end to my computer. Then you might see this pop up, just tap webcam, and now your Osmo Pocket 3 is in webcam mode and you can use it in something like Riverside. For instance, if I go to my Riverside studio to record, where I go to choose my camera, I'll see Osmo Pocket 3, and I didn't have to install any additional software or drivers. And there it is, the Pocket 3 now is my webcam, 1080p 30 frames per second. And if you enable 4K in your Riverside studio, it's actually capable of 4K 30 as a webcam. You'll see it here, 2160p. That's actually 4K resolution. Now I can choose my microphone and speakers, and here I am in 4K resolution with the Osmo Pocket 3 as my webcam. And like I said at the beginning, this is gonna be the best quality webcam you can get before you go to like mirrorless cameras that are thousands of dollars. So if you're looking for the best webcam that you can also use outside the studio to record B-roll or other content, the Pocket 3 is actually a great choice. Plus it also has this great feature where you can face track. Just double tap a face in the frame, and now it's going to track my face. So wherever I move or however the camera moves, it'll make sure to always keep me in frame. And this is different than the kind of center stage you get on a Mac, which is actually cropping your video so it's reducing quality. This is actually moving the physical camera on the Osmo Pocket 3, and it does track very well. And this is going to retain that full 4K 30 quality, and you never have to worry about being out of the frame while you're recording. Now, a few pro settings you might want to change just to make sure you get the best video quality possible. If you swipe from the right side, you can actually go into just standard shooting mode, and you get a couple image adjustment features here, where if I tap in, go over to custom, and then you can adjust the noise reduction and sharpness. I actually would recommend turning the sharpness down to -2 and the noise reduction down to -1. That's going to take away some of the digital look of the shot. But you can also get even more adjustments if you go to the Pro side. Just tap Pro on screen. I have it as auto white balance, but you can customize the white balance if you want to. You can manually adjust the exposure, but I find the Pocket 3 does a good job of just handling that itself. Focus mode, I keep it on continuous because I want it to be focused on my face. And again, you can adjust the sharpness and noise reduction. I would do a -2 and -1 on that, whether you're in Pro or the default shooting mode. And just like that, you have a 4K 30 webcam plus a 4K 120 slow-mo B-roll camera, all of that in this tiny package. And if you record with Riverside with the Pocket 3 as your webcam, you now have access to a ton of incredible editing tools. Here in Riverside, you can use the AI producer and remove the perfect amount of silence. You'll see applying that, and it just cut out all those portions where I wasn't talking. I can apply smooth speech, which removes all filler words. And if I was using the built-in mic on the Pocket 3, I can apply magic audio, and it's actually going to sound great. And when I need to edit the video and audio, I can just select text here in the transcript I get every time I record with Riverside, click delete, and I've edited my video and audio. It's that simple. Plus, if I wanted to make a vertical clip, that's just one click away. Now it's formatted vertically, I can add animated captions in a single click, and now I can create engaging short form video all from that piece of content using the Osmo Pocket 3. Not to mention I can add background music using the stock audio library built in here to Riverside, add image overlays to make it visually engaging, and even add text overlays to emphasize names or chapters. Then when you're ready to export, Riverside lets you export in up to 4K video quality, or you can jump over to audio and export in MP3, perfect for your podcast host. Riverside also has incredible tools like Magic Clips, which helps you generate vertical videos in just seconds. You can choose to focus on a speaker or even type in a topic from your recording, generate those clips, and in seconds you'll get a bunch of vertical videos of engaging moments, and Riverside does it all for you, applying those animated captions, formatting you and your guest, and our smart scenes can focus on your screen shares or the active speaker automatically. Plus, Riverside has a ton of live streaming tools where you can broadcast to multiple destinations at the same time, manage the chats from all those places in the Riverside studio, and make engaging live streams, plus get high quality recordings all at one place. And if you want to get into live streaming, the Pocket 3 and Riverside is an amazing combination. If you want to learn more about the live streaming tools Riverside has to offer, check out this video right up here. And if you have any questions, leave comments below. I answer those personally. And don't forget to subscribe to the Riverside channel and hit that like button. We have lots of videos on recommending gear if you're looking for a good USB mic, or if you're just looking to start a YouTube channel or podcast this year, we have a bunch of videos about that as well. Check out this video right here where I share my 15 keys for YouTube and how I grew a channel to 100K subscribers in just 2 years. Thanks for watching. We can't wait to see what you create.